Good morning, folks, and welcome to week number 3, the final week of Dare to Decode riddle number 7. Yesterday's riddle was I am a service which lets you see your data directly from S3, and I am your serverless SQL engine which doesn't need any setup. Simply configure and start using me right away. But hey, I can be costly too, so take care of before using me. Who am I? I'm sure a lot of you folks would already be using this service. The correct answer is AWS Athena. I'm sure a lot of you would know. So in any of the projects that we do, right, we usually have some form of data that we store in S3 bucket or directly to the database, right? But a lot of times we have structured data like CSV, TSV, JSON files, right, which we usually dump it to database. What you can do is you can use S3 to store all the data and use Athena to query all those structured data. You can create partitions, you can create your tables and everything, and query the data the way you usually query it using your normal SQL queries, right? Cost wise, yes, it can be costly at times if you don't structure it well, because let's say for example 1 TB of data that you're gonna scan on an average it's going to cost you about $5 for 1 TB of data scan. So use it very wisely. But if you use it wisely, that's one of the services which could be a game changing for you, since you don't have to write anything, right? You can simply configure your service and start querying the data set. So do check this out in next project whenever you're doing. Thanks a lot.